guys, welcome to SR Builds. So in the previous videos, we took a look at EDA, that is Explorative Data Analysis, which uses the Pandas library in Python. So I felt that content is a bit advanced for beginners. So let us understand some basic concepts of Python, which is like a foundation and it improves our understanding. So we all know in this era, Python is used everywhere. So have you wondered why Python is used by programmers and is preferred for most of technical tasks? So I have collected 9 strong reasons or advantages of Python. So let us go through the advantages one by one. We all know Python is the easiest programming language. So we all have experienced that the syntax is simple and we can focus more on the functionality than worrying about the symbols. So let us understand how objects are created in the Python language. So Python is a dynamically typed language. So unlike other programming languages like C++ and Java, we need not declare the variables before using them. So both the declaration and initialization happens at the same time. So this is a major advantage of Python in which there is a huge support of different modules. Modules are also known as libraries or packages, which are functionalities written by other programmers such that we can use it in our code. So some of the examples for the famous modules are pandas, which is used in data analysis as we have seen before. So in the future, we will be using scikit-learn for machine learning. Also, I want to mention that there is a very interesting module called as PyHealth, which is used to analyze the health related data. So Python supports different OOPS concept. OOPS stands for Object Oriented Programming. So objects are a technical implementation of real world concepts. So several principles like classes, objects, and data abstraction are included in Python. So Python is applied in variety of areas in technology. It may be AI/ML, data science, fintech, web development, and many more. So particularly in web development, before the backend implementation was done by JavaScript. So nowadays we can observe that Python is used more and more as a backend language. So REST APIs and APIs of different usage are applied in the backend. So Python is an interactive language. This is because it uses interpreter than compiler. So other compiled languages like C++ and Java, we need to compile it before running the code. So this is not mandatory in Python. Hence, we can create Python notebooks where we can execute individual blocks of code. Hence, it is very helpful in learning data science and machine learning. So Python has a block structure, which is a unique syntax only available in Python. So hence using block structure, we can avoid unnecessary symbols like braces, etc. Hence, the code will be more cleaner and it will be more readable to the users. So the Python has advanced and unique type of data structures. So these includes list, tuples, dictionaries, sets, and many more. So hence it is a major advantage in Python where we can use these data structures in many applications. So let us understand a very unique and interesting concept called as idiomatic Python. So in Python, there is a separate rules called as idiomatic Python, which enhances the programming ability and it helps us write clean and better code. So it includes using vectorized operations instead of loops. So in traditional languages, we use loops, but in Python, there is support of vectorized operations. So vectorized operations are special operations which are executed in a special manner which provides better time and space complexity. So another thing is using the method chaining techniques. So method chaining includes combining a variety of operators and operations together so that we can get the result quicker and in more efficient way. So we have covered all the 9 advantages of Python. Thank you and hope the content was enjoyable. Comment for more improvements from my side. Thank you once again. Keep learning and coding.